An intense eruptive activity has been recorded in recent weeks at the Stromboli volcano in Sicily, Italy. In recent days, tons of lava fell into the sea and caused a small tsunami, with no damage reported. Intense eruptive activity has been recorded in recent weeks at the Stromboli volcano in Sicily, Italy. In recent days, tons of lava fell into the sea and caused a small tsunami, with no damage reported. Thousands of residents of the Aeolian Islands spent days full of uncertainty due to the activity of the volcano. At the time, the authorities raised the alert level to orange. All residents kept their doors and windows closed due to possible contamination from ash and smoke. The first eruptive explosions were of various magnitudes, and caused dense columns of smoke. However, on October 9, the alerts were turned on when the lava flow reached the sea and moved towards the coast for several days. The volcanic material stopped just 4.0 meters before landfall. Landslides have occurred in the area since October 10. In recent days, a drone from the National Institute of Geophysics and Volcanology managed to capture the moment when the debris that reached the sea generated a small tsunami on the west coast of the island. The authorities recommended not to approach the Colossus. Tell me your opinion about this news in the comments, and remember that by leaving your like and sharing the video you help this information reach more people. My name is Johnny. See you later with more information.